Nishmas Etta Ahuva bas Yaakov Shevuos Perek Ches Mishna Daled. Mishna Daled deals with a regular case of Geneva as opposed to Mishna Gimel, which we had learned spoke about Toyin Tainas Ganav. Omar le'echa b'shuk heichen sheri shekinafti. The owner goes over to someone in the shuk and says, "You stole my shar. Where is it?" B'hu oimer. The person replies, "Lo ganafti. I did not steal it." Ve'edim eden oisei shaganva. Now they're edim that he stole it. So it's a regular case of edim on Geneva. The halacha is mishalim tashlumei kefil. You pay kefil. Tavach umachar. If they're edim that he shechted it or sold it, so now the parsha of tvichu mechira applies. Mishalim tashlumei arba v'chamisha. Then you pay dala v'hei. Ro edim shemamash mishinuban. But if the ganav saw that edim were about to come, Omar ganavti, and he comes first, and he's moida knas and says that I stole it, so he's moida on the kefel, and so there would be no knas of kefel. Avaloi tavachti v'loi mecharti, but he's still kaifer on the tvicha mechira. Now the edim come only on the tvicha mechira. Eina mishalim ele keren, you still only pay the keren because you're moida b'knas, and now you're pater from the kefel. And whenever there's no kefel, there's no dala v'hei, because dala v'hei omar rachman v'loi gimel v'dalet. The Gemara in Baba Kama daf ayin hey brings a machlokes Rav and Shmuel. If moide b'knas v'achakach bo edim is chayiv u'pater. Rav says pater, Shmuel says chayiv. So the Gemara over there asks from a brisa, which is very similar to our Mishnah. In fact, Tosfos asks how come he doesn't ask from our Mishnah. And our Mishnah is mavur that moide b'knas v'achakach bo edim is pater, because edim, if it's raw edim shemash mishinu ban, you're going to be pater, even if you're moida because you see the edim coming. So surely if you're moida on your own and then edim come afterwards, surely you should be pater. So the Gemara says, L'shmuel vadei tanoihi, Shmuel is going to be masking that according to Tan of our Mishnah, moida knas achakach bo edim is going to be pater. Mishnah Hey is the contrast of Mishnah Beis, where we learned when there was a tviyah to a Shomer Chinam, and the Shomer Chinam replied with one of the 5 ways of how there was a oines, and he was pater from carbon shua because there was no kfiras mammon. Mishnah Hey is going to a shoyel, and by a shoyel it's sort of the opposite. There's also no chiyav carbon shua, but because either way he's going to be chayiv, no matter which oines happened. So Amar l'shoyel heichen shayri Amar lo meis. He replies that it was meis, and really it was one of the other 4 things. Who nishbar or nishba or nigna v'yavid. Or he replied it was nishbar and really it was meis and nishba and nigna v'yavid. Or he replied it was nishba and really it was meis and nishba and nigna v'yavid. Or he replied that it was nignav and really it was meis and nishba and yavid. Or he replied that it was oven and really it was meis and nishba and nignav. Since he was either way going to be chayiv mammon, because the shoyel is chayiv on Geneva Aveda and Einzin, so therefore there was no kfiras mammon, and therefore mashbiach aniva amar amen, he's going to be pater from a carbon shua. He's chayiv for the karen because either way he's chayiv, but there's no carbon shua. And at the end of Mishnah Vav, at the end of the Masechta, there's going to be a klal that sums this up.